Hey everyone, before this video gets started, if you were an Uber driver and you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up, you can still apply my referral code to receive a bonus of up to $1,000. It might be $500, it might be $100, but it's still better than nothing. So once again, if you were an Uber driver and you forgot to use a referral code, then follow the directions in the description below. So again, if you signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, then follow the directions in the description below. Hi everyone, I'm Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan asked me to come on today to talk about 5 reasons why you should quit Uber and Lyft driving right now. Before I get into this video though, please hit the subscribe button and that would help us out so much. We would really appreciate it. Alright, now let's jump into this video. 5 reasons why you should quit Uber and Lyft driving right now. Number 1, you don't want to get sick. So if you get sick with everything going on right now, if you get sick and you have to go test for that, you must be quarantined for at least 14 days. So that means you're going to have to stay home for that 14 days and recover. And that is if you get sick. If you do not get sick, so number two, you don't want to get others sick and spread this virus. So it's really hard to determine who's sick and who's not. Sometimes people can just have allergies, but still that can be mistaken for the virus. And sometimes the virus can be mistaken for allergies, so vice versa. You just don't know who is sick out there. You don't know if you yourself are sick, so it's best to isolate at this time and do what the governor said in California, at least. And actually, I think across the states everybody should be isolated right now for at least 14 days, but it's out of control. It's hard to control the whole country, so this sickness is going to last for a while. We don't know when everybody will recover. I mean, it's a trickle effect. Say you're sick, then you'll get other people sick. Those other people will get other people sick, and it just keeps spreading. So you really just want to limit the spread of the virus right now. So it's not the best time to be driving. Number 3, there aren't a lot of rides right now. So a lot of people are concerned for their own health, and some of them are concerned about the health of others. So people have begun to isolate, which everyone should be doing that and staying home. So right now there aren't a lot of rides, so it is a little bit of a waste of time. Number 4, food delivery apps are up. So if you do want to do something, if you do want to drive, food delivery apps are still working. So it would be best if you do want to continue working and driving and doing that kind of stuff, apply for delivery apps and make money that way. A lot of people want to stay home. A lot of people want to stay home right now. A lot of people want to limit their contact with the outside. A lot of people want to limit their contact with the outside world. So right now, it would be best to do delivery apps. And finally, number 5, Uber and Lyft isn't going to pick up again for another 3 to 4 months, if that. So it's going to be pretty slow for some time. So it is best right now to follow the orders that we were given and go home and isolate. So isolate for a month if you can. I know some of us really need to be making money, but right now is not the time to be driving and getting others sick. Especially if you're a driver, you get sick and then you start spreading the virus to all your riders. Right now is not the best time. So there you go. There's 5 reasons why you should stop Uber and Lyft driving today. If you guys found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and then leave a comment down below. We would appreciate that. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time and have a great night. Once again, I'm Crystal and you are watching the Rideshare Hub. Thank you for watching.